I hear your tune, a trace of laughter beneath the moon. Every word you spoke is etched in air, but when I reach, there's nothing there. The wind calls softly, it knows your name, but it doesn't answer. It's not the same. The echoes linger, a haunting song, a part of me where you still belong. I miss the sound of you, soft and clear, the voice that held me through every fear. The way you'd laugh, the way you'd sigh, a melody that time can't deny. I miss the sound of you, it's all I crave, a note that lingers beyond the grave. In the silence I'm torn in two, I miss the sound of you. I play the memories like a broken tape. Your voice still fills every empty space, in every whisper, in every breeze. It feels so close, yet out of reach. The world keeps spinning, but I stand still. Your silence echoes, and it always will. Your words were light, they made me whole. Now they're shadows haunting my soul. I miss the sound of you, soft and clear, the voice that held me through every fear. The way you laugh, the way you sigh, a melody that time can't deny. I miss the sound of you, it's all I crave, a note that lingers beyond the grave. In the silence I'm torn in two, I miss the sound of you. If I could hear you just one last time, a single word, a sacred rhyme, I'd keep it safe. I'd hold it near, a piece of you to calm my fears. The sound of you, soft and clear, the voice that held me through every fear. The way you'd laugh, the way you'd sigh, a melody that time can't deny. I miss the sound of you, it's all I crave, a note that